Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make healthy chicken breast salad. First, ensure your chicken is fully cooked. You can boil, grill, or use rotisserie chicken. Aim for about 3 cups of shredded or diced chicken. Next, wash and prepare your fresh ingredients. This often includes dicing celery for crunch and having sweet red grapes. Finally, get ready to whisk together the simple, healthy dressing that brings all the flavors together. Now that your chicken is cooked and cooled, dice it into bite-sized pieces, roughly ½ inch. Precision helps ensure every bite is perfect. Then, finely chop your celery and have your grapes. If you like, you can also add other ingredients like toasted almonds or a bit of finely chopped red onion for extra flavor and texture. Once everything is prepped, combine all these wonderful ingredients in a large mixing bowl. For the dressing, whisk together plain Greek yogurt, fresh lemon juice, and a touch of Dijon mustard. You can also add fresh herbs like dill or parsley for an extra layer of flavor. Pour the dressing over your chicken and vegetable mixture, stirring gently until everything is evenly coated. Start with about 3/4 of a cup of dressing and add more if you prefer a creamier salad. Finish by seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. Your healthy chicken breast salad is now ready to enjoy. You can serve it immediately for a fresh meal or refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes to allow the flavors to meld beautifully. This salad is fantastic on its own, but also pairs wonderfully with whole grain crackers, in a lettuce wrap for a low-carb option, or as a sandwich filling. It's a versatile and delicious choice for any meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to some amazing socks and other fantastic deals we've mentioned.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.